Hello, in this video we will discuss about various stages in pre-embryonic stage according to time. Okay, so after fertilization on the day 1 there is a formation of the two cell stage, that is zygote. On the day 2nd there is a formation of about 5 to 8 cells which we call it as a blastula. Okay, and the junction between that two cells is very loose. On day 3 the cell count will be 16 and we call it as a morula, and the junction is very tight, we call it as a stage of compaction. On the day 4 there will be the count is around 32 and we call it as advanced morula, and there is differentiation of the inner cell mass and the outer cell mass. On the day 5 the that advanced morula is entered into the uterine cavity, and the form also the space or the cavity in that morula, okay, advanced morula, we call it as a blastocyst. Okay, on the day 6 there is a hatching of that zona pellucida, which is very important to prevent the implantation in uh, fallopian tube. Okay, so after zona hatching on the day 7 there is the implantation inside the uterine cavity into the endometrium. Okay, on day 9 there is a cell mass differentiation is occurring, that is inner cell mass is differentiated into the epiblast, hypoblast and trophoblast. Okay, so trophoblast is outer cell mass and the epiblast and hypoblast is inner cell mass. Okay, on day 12 there is a mesoderm formation is occurring. Okay, so basically first there is only bilaminar disc, only the two layers are present, epiblast and hypoblast, but on day 12 there is formation of mesoderm. Okay, inside that inner cell mass, now the three layer cell is formation is occurring there. Okay, so on day 18 the mesoderm is spread toward that connecting stalk or the coronic villi. Okay, and day 23 the amniotic sac enlargement is occurring. Okay, so these are the stages of the pre-embryonic life of that child, sorry, that embryo. Okay,